Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming video shorts. So we were just learning about the self parameter, right? We just saw it's how why it is important, what the self parameter mean. So let's just use out the self parameter and try to add two numbers in Python. So for that I'm going to create here a class calculator. Let's say class calc, okay, which is going to have a constructor of course, and we know that for every constructor and normal methods we need to give the first parameter as a self parameter. So it is going to take a self parameter, a normal a variable and a b variable for getting the two integers input. Okay, so let's just create out the object variable here for a, which is self dot a, which will have the value from my a. Let's create out the object variable for second integer, that is dot b from b, right? Now I'm just trying to get a new function which is going to provide me the addition of two integers, right? So it won't take any parameter, but yes, we need to give here, sorry, we need to give here by default a self parameter, right? So it will just return us simply the object variables addition, which is nothing but the two numbers, right? Self dot b. Now I can just simply create out my class so that I can just pass out the integers here. Okay, so for that I'm going to create out here, let's say C, a object which is going to be created by the help of class name, and here only I'm just passing out my two variables, let's say 5 and 5. So let's just try to print out simply now, and we're going to get the sum. So I can just simply type out here, I can just simply use out my method directly with the help of object. That's all. So you can just see that sum is 10. Okay, for number of, you can create out number of objects, right? So there could be number of objects like C1 for calc, and I can just pass out here 10 comma 10. So this is just for basic understanding. We can create number of objects for our class. If I'll just copy it, I'll just paste it and I'll just edit the object. You will get the response. So yeah, thank you.